center of curvature. We have here, we have this lens. That's called what? That's called convex lens. And here we have the principal axis. And the second one we have what? We have the body that found here on M. And this one we have what? We have the light ray that pass parallel to the principal axis and passing on the focus. And the second one, or second light ray, that passing here to make what? To make intersected point between them. So here we have the image that found in AB, that found in what? In the M, or the other center of curvature. So here we have what? We have, so here we have this shape that's formed what? That's formed the image by convex lens in the case of the body that found on M, or the center of curvature. The image here, it's equal inverted and real. Equal what? Equal the body, but it is inverted and real. After that we have give reason for. Give reason for, it means I need the explanation of this information. So give reason for, it's very important question. It has high marks for this one. You can collect the marks in this question. It is not difficult. It is very easy one. Let's go to see the first one. When you look at the mirror, you see your image in an opposite form. Why? Because what? Because the mirror is a reflecting surface of light. Again, the mirror is a reflecting surface of light, and the plane mirror or any type of mirror, it is a reflecting surface of light. That makes what? That makes your image in what? In reversed position. Reversed position, it means what? It means the left hand is right hand in the mirror, and the right hand of your body is left hand inside the mirror. After that, another sentence. The perpendicular incident light ray on the plane mirror reflects on itself. Again, perpendicular incident light ray on the plane mirror that reflects on itself. Why that pass or that reflect in itself on itself? Because what? Because reflecting angle equal the incident angle equal 0. Why? Because the angle here between the normal line and incident light ray equals 0. Because the light ray that pass or fall down on the normal line, that passing the normal line or on the normal line in the same direction in the same case. So here we have because what? Because the reflecting angle equal the incident angle equal 0. After that we have another sentence. The image that formed by a plane mirror is virtual. Again, the image that formed by plane mirror is virtual. So here we have what? Because the image by the plane mirror can't be received on a screen. We have here this question that's asked about this word virtual. So the meaning of virtual, it's received on a screen? No, it cannot be received on the screen. So the image here that found in the plane mirror or any type of mirror except the concave mirror, we have what? We have the plane mirror or convex mirror that the image, they form image as what? As the virtual image. Why? Because the image by a plane mirror or convex mirror that can't be received on a screen. It's found inside what? Inside the mirror, but we cannot receive it behind mirror. After that, another one in the give reason. The image formed by convex mirror can't be received on a screen. It's the opposite of the other or the last sentence. So here the image formed by the convex mirror can't be received on a screen because it's a virtual image. Because what? Because it is virtual image. This sentence asks about can't be received on a screen. Why? Because it is a virtual image that formed by what? That formed by convex mirror or formed by plane mirror. Another sentence, the convex lens is used in burning paper within the sun rays. Why we use the convex lens to burn a paper with the sun rays, or we use it in what? In some cases like what? Like the burning or heating anything. Why? Because the convex lens is a converging lens of light that collect light rays in one point called focus and concentrated very high temperature. Again, we have the convex lens. It's converging light ray or converging piece or converging lens. Okay, so here we have the converging lens of light ray in the point called focus that collect light ray in one point called focus, and it concentrate the heat energy after this collection, collect the heat energy and collect light rays and collect anything of these rays in one point called focus. So it's very concentrated and will be very hot to burn a piece of paper or to heat anybody. Now we have something it's important for us, for your studying and your information, some symbols of lenses. And in the last session we have some symbols of mirrors, and to know some concepts about mirrors, here we have some symbols and concepts of lenses. Like what? If I have a lens like this is a convex lens, or if I have a concave lens, and we have this straight line that called what? That called principal axis. Again, we have this straight line that pass in the middle, in the midpoint of this piece, that called the principal axis, and it is a straight line. The second thing we have what? We have an optical center. It's very important point in the lens about the convex lens or concave lens. Optical center, and its symbol is P. P is the optical center. And we have another thing here, we have the focus. Focus, we have F. F, it means what? It means focus. And how many focus here we have? We have two focuses here, or two foci. Means what? It is English. In English we have two foci. What's meant by two foci? Two focuses. That means what? That means the lens, it has two foci. Why? Because it has two surfaces. Two surfaces here, it means what? It means another in the left side, and we have another one in right side. So here we have principal axis, again the straight line that pass in the optical center, and we have the optical center here that found in P. The symbol of optical center is P, and this point is found in the midpoint of what? It is the midpoint of the convex lens or concave lens. After that we have M. What's meant by M? Center of curvature. How many centers of curvature we have? Two. One in the left side and one in the right side. Why? Because the lens, it has two surfaces. Very good, student. So here we have what? We have any lens that has two foci, and they have what? They have the two center of curvature. Why that happen? Because it has two surfaces, one of them in right hand and the other one is left hand. And we have these distances here. Distance from what? From the optical center to the focus, it's equal. Just equal what? Equal the distance from the focus to what? To center of curvature. That's called what? Called focal length. Again, this distance from the optical center in the midpoint in the lens, and we have another point here in this distance, we have the focus. So the focal length, it's this distance between these 2 points. And we have another focal length, we have the distance between focus and what? And center of curvature. They are equal each other. So each one, that's called focal length. But the distance between what? Between the optical center and the other point is center of curvature. It's what? It's called radius, and it has the symbol R. Again, we have here the distance between optical center and center of curvature. We have this is one, this is called radius. The distance between these 2 points called radius. Radius, it has a symbol. Symbol is what? Is R. R small. So here we have an observation here. Note that we have what? We have the radius. That's equal what? equal 2 focal lengths. Again, 1 radius equal 2 focal lengths. Why? Because the focal length is the distance between the optical center P and the focus, or the distance between focus F and center of curvature. But the radius, it's total distance between what? Between the optical center and the center of curvature. So this distance, it is double focal length. Again, it's very important to know this. Radius equal 2 focal lengths. It means what? It means double focal length. After that, we have what? We have the definitions of each part of this one. Number 1, we have principal axis. The principal axis here, it means what? It means it is the straight line that join between optical center and center of curvature. Principal axis, the straight line. If you write, this is the key word of this definition, a straight line that join between two points. One of them is the center of curvature and the optical center. Second one, we have what? We have the optical center, P. We have P, it's what? The midpoint inside the surface of lens that passes light ray without refraction. Again, it's very important to know this. Optical center, it is the midpoint in the center of the piece or optical piece that called lens. So this midpoint pass any light ray without what? Without refraction, without any refraction. Dear friends, I hope to enjoy your time with us. Till we meet again, thank you and goodbye everybody.